This video is on power steering rack and pinion hose and shaft hookup. I didn't use the supplied hoses from Flaming Rivers. I used PTFE for the pressure, which is the one going to the back of the pump. Right there. And made up my own hoses there, PTFE. And then my return, I just used regular nylon braided, rubber braided hose, nylon braided, whatever you call it. And made up my own hoses so it looks nice and matches everything else on the truck. And then this is the shaft, steering shaft that comes with the Flaming Rivers power steering kit, conversion kit, and it fits right on. I mean, not much to say there, just put it together, line it up, drill your dimples for your set screws, and you're ready to rock and roll. I mean, fits right on. The only thing I had to do, which I said in my other video, was I had to reclock the rack and pinion a little bit because it would hit here on the frame before it went up into the column. So I had to reclock that a little bit to stand it up so that it cleared. I got about a finger under there. It's more than enough. It doesn't flex at all when you steer it, even with the engine off, no pump. So yeah, it's a pretty good kit. I mean, comes with everything you need pretty much. Now the Flaming River hoses would have worked. Probably been okay, but I didn't want it to look like it was added on. I wanted it to look like it came with it. So I made up my own hoses, which isn't that big a deal. And you could get a PTFE Evil kit off of Amazon for like $50. It comes with like 6 or 8 fittings and 10 feet of PTF hose. And supposed to be rated for 3,000 psi, which is more than enough for that little pump. You know, that ain't much of a pump. So yeah, although they do say they'll put out 1,200 psi, so you can't use the regular stuff. It's only good for 1,000. So you'll probably end up not blowing the hose, but blowing the fitting, the hose off the fitting. So you do want to use the PTFE for your pressure side. But there you go. Thanks for watching.